Did you know that one Hollywood actor bought his own tomb and accidentally purchased stolen dinosaur bones? This isn't some made-up movie plot. This really happened to Nicolas Cage. First, let's talk about his tomb. Cage walked into a historic New Orleans cemetery and bought a 9-foot-tall white pyramid. Not a regular headstone, a massive pyramid. He carved the words Omnia ab uno on it, which means everything from one in Latin. The pyramid sits there right now, waiting for him. But that's not even the weirdest part. Cage once got into a bidding war with Leonardo DiCaprio over a dinosaur skull. We're talking about a real T-Rex skull that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Cage won the auction and took his prize home. Plot twist: the skull was stolen from Mongolia. The FBI had to get involved. Cage had to give back his expensive dinosaur head to the Mongolian government. So Nicolas Cage owns a pyramid tomb and accidentally became an international dinosaur thief. Hollywood really is stranger than fiction.